Welcome to a new series where I will go over the machine rower and all its parts and components and break it down Barney style so that you can maximize your time on this machine. Let's get right into it. All right. So first things first is we're going to cover the foot placement, which is the second most important part of this machine. What you want to do is you want to make sure that these straps is over the widest part of your foot or a little bit just above your knuckles of your feet. This foot pad goes up and down. These numbers, you could think of them as like your shoe size for the rower. So I know that I am maxed out right here. So this is my last, so I'm at a, so if this, this is a 5. I'm on the last dots or the last inserts. So all I gotta do is put my foot in. And there you go. It's over the widest part of my foot. Some common areas I see with people that they mess this up is they have it too tight to where they can't move the foot, or they do the reciprocal where they have it too loose. And that's a no-go when they're trying to get power, when they try to push off. When you push off with a loose strap, your foot just gonna come up and you're gonna lose all that power. So just remember, foot placement, widest part of the foot, tight, just put it in nice and snug, and you're good to go.